This Thanksgiving, let's make cornbread stuffing. Stuffing is a staple at every Thanksgiving dinner, but let's elevate it. We're gonna make some herb butter with thyme and sage. Making herb butter is real easy. Just get some herbs, heat up some butter. Do not burn the protein. If it's turning into brown butter, stop. Cut the heat and just let it sit in the pan. All you want to do is make sure you get a nice green looking butter. Nothing has to crisp up. It's separating all those delicious flavors from the herbs. Dump it in. Get some vegetables going. Break away from tradition like we say and use some nice earthy mushrooms and some carrots. Using canned carrots is totally okay, especially when you don't have those extra heads of carrots in your fridge. A nice chicken stock. If you don't have stock, use a little bit of water. Lastly, get some beaten eggs in there. You don't need to season this. You don't need to add anything else other than what it already has, because you can always add salt to the end and pepper to the end. When you're done folding everything together, get it in a nice dish. No padding, no packing, just let it get in there. Spread it out. When it's all ready, bake the heck out of it, or more specifically, 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Something to remember about stuffing is that a dry stuffing is bad stuffing. If you end up cooking over your stuffing, make sure that you add some more chicken stock to it or some water. It'll give it some nice moisture. Remember, if you love this recipe, subscribe for more.